A shift dress is a straight dress, somewhat boxy, with very little shaping. A shift dress is a dress in which the cloth falls straight from the shoulders and has darts around the bust. Shifts are most often short with hems landing just above the knee. However, shorter or longer midi versions are available as well. Shift dresses became popular in Western fashion in the 1920s. The shift dress was known as the flapper dress for its dramatically different shape and silhouette. They are mostly flattering on body types that are more like columns. Apple shape can wear shift dresses. Because shift dresses have a straight shape, they are perfect for camouflaging a tummy. Hourglass and pear-shaped figures can wear shift dresses as well. Look for shifts with a bit more tailoring at the waist or add a belt to show you your best assets. In fact, shift dresses will work on any body style. Shifts are a classic dress option. You'll want to keep your shoes classic as well. Choose low heel pumps, sandals, spadrilles, wedges, ballads, flats, or mules. If you have a more casual shift dress, you can opt for a sneakers, flip flops, and slides. You can also accessorize with a long necklace or scarf to add some color and visual interest. If you want to look a bit more put together, add an oversized cardigan or denim jacket for extra warm style. You can wear sheet dresses for so many events, both special events and everyday occasions. This is all about the shift dress. Thank you so much.